What it do, everybody, and welcome to the Daily What It Do. And we're on Daily What It Do, number 164, and I return you to your Daily What It Do, already in progress. Get a whiskey barrel or a regular barrel. Look, Juan, he could be Chavo del Ocho. They don't have what we need, which makes this cart useless. Get out of here, cart. Now we gotta go to another Home Depot because they don't have the lattice size we need. Wait, Terry, wait. What it do, guys? And this is what I'm doing today. I'm on the roof. We just replaced all the lattice right there. With that guy. Whew. I'm tired. It's nice and cool up here. Whew. Now we're gonna put some screen over there, right there. Yeah, we're gonna put some screen over that. Whew. What it do? That's what it do, guys. Almost done, guys. Just putting on the screen over the lattice so no leaves get into the little patio area. And I just figured out something today. I guess I just figured out today that I am afraid of heights, guys. Yeah, the way that we were sitting on that plywood, not safe. Kind of freaked me out a little bit. But tough, and I will still stand on it to get this job done. Hi, Coco. Stability! I seen you. What are we doing?
I was gonna bump your arm, drive you crazy.
What are you doing? Where are we going?
We're going to the shops in Montebello.
That means the mall.
Yeah.
What was this called before the shops in Montebello? Montebello Town Center.
I just always used to call it the Montebello Mall.
Montebello Town Center?
I don't know.
I thought it was
Town
Center.
Montebello Town Center is what it was called before.
Alright, let's go. Go there. Let me in. Let me in. It's cold out here. That's where my gifts come from. All hats. Just buy me all hats. Look at Pikachu with a mask on. Look at the little hairs on his head, look.
Yeah.
Oh, the little hairs. The little one right there. There's Luke right there, Luke Skywalker. Look, D. Oh, D, can we get that?
The Power Ranger head?
Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's morphin' time.
I wouldn't mind having that.
Right? Right by the bed. And we'll get the Pink Ranger one too now.
Okay, but I want something Ninja Turtle, like, if you get to the Power Ranger, like.
Oh, okay. Well, do they have anything?
I don't know.
No, you get the White Ranger. I see the White Ranger over there. Way over there. White Ranger.
I like that one better.
Pretty cool. That's cool. This looks cool. You see it, D? You see it? You see it? You see it?
Oh, look at
it? You see it? You see it?
I'm gonna tell him.
We wanted to show you that. You know what? You know what? You don't know about it?
What?
Because you can't see that video.
Oh, yeah.
Look, this is a remote control child.
Oh.
His mouth moves and everything. It looks scary.
Oh.
What'd you say? The holiday master on sale?
They have it.
Is that what you wanted or what?
Yeah.
When did you want to get that? I never heard you say that.
Did you get this for me?
No, I didn't even know you wanted this.
I do want it.
When did you want this?
Right now when I saw it.
How am I supposed to get that for you then?
It's technically an ornament though.
It's an ornament. Is that going to be our one ornament for the year? We always get ornament every year.
I know, I do get ornaments.
You always go to the outlet though, so I don't know. You wanna? Oh, you got a holiday mask. You haven't even opened yet. You have this one.
Ornament socks are $5.
Oh, look, a little itty bitty key pin.
That's a pin. Yeah, that goes with the
What's that
Pluto
one?
That's a Pluto key. So they've been doing the keys more often, like every month or 2 months now.
I like this one. Ooh. You happy? You got your ornament?
Yes,
Christmas, Blue West.
West.
How much are they now? I saw you at Disneyland.
I don't know. Well, they say $29.99.
No. 30% off. What? Kylo Ren. That's sick. Voice changer with real character phrases. Has the fabric on the top.
Sir, resistance fighter.
I did what I had to. He's no good to me dead. As you wish. Put Captain Solo in the cargo hold.
I don't know which one I should get. This one, the Wally? Or Carl?
Carl with the hearing aid.
The hearing aid? Carl's cuter.
But is she gonna know?
I think she'll know.
Okay. Well, we could get it.
Should I send her a picture?
Well, that's not the point. You gotta surprise them.
Alright. Let's just get it. Hopefully she gets it.
Okay.
You need to get a horsey in there. Look at it. Horsey. Horsey. Do it. Horsey. Alright, we're taking these two.
Okay.
They have been chosen. Yes, they have been chosen. Merry Christmas, y'all.
Yay!
Did you get your stuff, D?
Yes.
You went shopping right
I
now.
went shopping to Candy. Went to Fye. Went to the Disney store. Put it all in one big plastic bag.
Look at that big old bag.
So big.
Yeah, big $5 bag.
All kinds of stuff.
Smacking people around with it. Everybody walking down the aisles.
I know. Fern-E had to take it away from me.
Give me that thing. Oh, we're done here now. Now we head home. We're dinner. It's being served.
I'm hungry.
Come on, let's go to your grandma's house.
Hungry.
Come on, let's go. I'm hungry now. Are you guys following me? Stop following me. That beautiful Christmas tree back there. Look at that. See that?
I know.
It's nice inside the mall. I'm thirsty though.
Me too.
Can't drink nothing in here.
No, our water's in the car. I really wanted a pretzel from Wetzel's Pretzel. Oh, it's smelling so good.
Wetzel's pretzels.
Gotta get out of here.
Bad accident. Oh no.
I see an officer pumping him. They're giving him a CPR.
Oh wow.
Poor thing.
Please, live, man.
It's already been for a while. There's like tape up and everything.
Second officer's already helping out too. He got hit by a car.
Probably. But why is he in the road? Was he on a bike? Was he walking?
Probably. You know, a lot of bikers over here.
His car.
That was a bad accident. That was a real bad accident. Oh. I see you, Nana. I see you. What's on TV today? Oh. The Nanas are watching The Big Bang Theory. Ooh, I see you guys.